Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how I sometimes use old packaging of stationery items and I repurpose them for something else. For example, this one, it used to house like note card collections, mainly in black and white, but now it houses these vintage label stickers, as you can see here. So where did this card collection note cards go into? Voila, here they are. Okay, so this was all of this actually, sorry, all of these, yeah, there's a lot of them. All of these were actually belong in this card box, okay, but because they are too bulky, there's a lot of cards, and I'm sorry for my cat, Lucky, shush, because they're too bulky and sometimes it's hard for me to take just even the single card, so I decided to put these note cards here, and I want to repurpose the old packaging of the card collection into a box for my journaling vintage labels and stickers. Now, okay, we're gonna have to deal with this later, okay, but I'm just gonna show you. This is how I use this tin box to house the card collections that previously were placed in this tiny little box. Now, I want to show you how I'm going to redecorate this box, because I don't want to be confused when I see this. I don't want this to remind me of the old card collection, so now I have to decorate this this little box. Okay, so when I see this box, I will immediately know that, oh, okay, this is where I put all my vintage labels or journaling label stickers. How should we decorate them? Well, it's up to you, up to your taste, your liking for decoration, but I think it's important to incorporate one of the label stickers or journal labels so you immediately can tell what's inside this box. Okay, without further ado, I will not be speaking anymore. Just have a look at this video and let me know what do you think of this redecorated repurpose box. Okay. Okay. Voila! It's done. I think it's beautiful. Yes, it can be tidier than this, but it's not that bad. And also, now to think of it, I don't see the resemblance of the card collection box anymore. So this is it. It contains the one of the label stickers, and it has a beautiful decoration now. Okay, I hope this video will inspire you to repurpose whatever boxes or packaging from your stationery items, and you will find delight in redecorating those things. I hope you like it. If you do, please click subscribe button and like this video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys on the next videos. Bye bye.